Hey everybody, this is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. We are back to look at the Kairos 2. I got Ivy with me today. She's going to do her own little tour a little bit later, but we're going to go check this house out. They finally got the inside finished out, and we're going to be able to see a whole lot of what it looks like when they get the trim outs done. Of course, you got this outside of this house. Beautiful stonework, beautiful porch.
Very beautiful.
And great finishes all the way around. I love the way the stonework looks. Great accent on the front, along with this white vinyl and the shutters that are real wood, and those black windows really pop. Now going inside here, you can see that it is an upgrade door with the glass. Arnett, close the door, kiddo.
Okay.
And you see beautiful glass work here. Christmas tree looking great. This family has been so gracious to let us come in here. They still haven't got all their furniture in, but it is starting to look like a home, and it is really pretty. This is your living room you walk into first. Off to the right of the living room, you have your kitchen, but immediately to the right when you walk in is that dining room. That is a really pretty table as well. You can see the nice beamwork that they have above the dining room. And when we came in, the first time in this video, this living room was full of stuff. I mean, just full of all the materials that go to make the house. Now we can see what it looks like. Painted sheetrock is finished out. Walls are cased. Doors are hung. You can see this gorgeous kitchen. We'll get back to that in just a second. First, we're gonna come. You keep popping up in the video, kiddo. We're gonna come in here. You see a little den area that they have set up, and got the TV hung on the wall. So not only do you have the living room, but you have a den area. And you're gonna go see a bedroom real quick. I think they're gonna treat this one kind of as a guest bedroom here. Nice little setup, good walk-in closet. We're not gonna invade the privacy, but they have their own full bathroom. Come on out and close that door, kiddo. Since they have moved in, we're trying not to mess with their stuff too much. And right off here, you see the laundry room. Got your mop, sink, fiberglass, built-in cabinets, space for a freezer, washer, dryer. And then that's going to be your water heater and your AC unit. Really love the layout on this house. Over here you got two more bedrooms. So it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This be kind of set up as a guest bedroom, or actually a little office space it looks like. So they kind of using the best of all worlds in here. And your full bathroom here. Fiberglass tub shower, elongated toilet, and of course rolled countertop edges, so if I'm splashing water here, it's not going back behind the counters. And then they do have the solid wood cabinets with the soft close. PEX plumbing throughout the house as well. Ceramic sink, metal faucet, and then these beautiful mirrors. I'll let y'all see Ivy. Say hi, Ivy.
Hi.
And then, now move. And then, I didn't want to show y'all me. My beard is looking rough over the Christmas break. Another bedroom here. Full size little walk-in closet there. And that is a queen size bed, so you can see the space that you have in this house. It's just really great. It's a den, another look at that. A lot of times when it's set up this way, you don't feel like you have true privacy in the den, but this one is great. It's well hidden from the living room, so anybody in there is not going to be interrupting what you got going on in here. Also, now we get to see kind of what it looks like with their back porch and their kitchen all together. Huge island in the middle. Move out of the way, goofball. With a large sink. It's got the 60-40 split in it, and dishwasher right there to the left. Big drawers right here, so for pots and pans, and a nice little bar style over there that looks over the living room. But as you can see, there's a ton of cabinets, ton of drawers, and then we got my favorite part, wall-mounted oven and microwave. And then your smooth top cooktop right here with this really, really pretty hood. And this ceramic backsplash. Ivy was putting her thumbs up and trying to get in the video, guys. She loves to come participate with me, and it's a joy for me, but right now she's kind of getting in the way. You silly girl. And then right here, it is an awesome porch. I love this little porch. It's perfect. As you see how they have it set up, you can put a coffee pot out here. You can put a little bit more furniture than they have. There's still a whole lot of dance room right here. Then you got a little storage area right there. Let's go back inside. We don't want to leave the door open. They do have some dogs here, so they like to do no carpet in the main areas and a lot of the bedrooms. That, I believe, is a pantry. Let's see. It is. So you see their pantry?
Giant pantry.
Yeah, nice walk-in pantry.
To me, it's a giant
Ton of space.
pantry.
I love how the doors look once they're cased. That's a huge casing too. Right here, this is one of your marriage lines. You got 2x4s married to 2x4s, so it's essentially a 2x8. And they double up on them. One of the great things about Deer Valley is their heavy built quality. So all your exterior walls are 2x6. All your interior walls 2x4s. But around your windows, you got double studs on either side. And you got a double header. They do a double, they do 2x8 floor joists, and they do a double joist rail all the way around. So at your marriage centers, you have 4 2x8s all there in a row. Just gives you that great solidity. It's huge. Oh, I missed a whole bathroom over here. You got a little half bath right off the entrance here. Really nice. So when you first come in the door, you don't have to go run to the end of the house to find it. And then a nice little storage closet. Tons of storage in this house. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So we haven't even seen the master yet, which is kind of the main showpiece other than the dens and the kitchen. And just let y'all see this beautiful shiplap here. This video is not going to be as long today because the homeowner is waiting patiently outside for me to leave. And it's so gracious of them to let us come do that. So we're going to go check out the master bedroom real quick. Y'all see that. Oh, they picked out a wonderful bed. I love that. Huge king-size bed. Beautiful tray ceiling. It goes up to about 10 feet there because this is 9-foot ceilings. It's got the crown molding in place all the way around. That's just a great look. Of course, vents in the ceiling, upgraded insulation in this house. And this flooring here, this carpet's very nice. It's thick and soft. In here, this flooring here is a luxury vinyl tile. Super, super duper. Get some lights on in this bathroom here. Oh, there we go. Really nice the way they have. You got a vanity space here with 3 mirrors up above. I managed to avoid you being able to see most of me. But Ivy, go stay next to that so they can kind of get a scale. Next to that little bench there. Y'all see how big it is. This is just a really nice bathroom. And then in here, they've installed a little shower tower there. There's your handle here. It's a ceramic shower with the Rainmaker shower. And the handheld over there in Bench City. That shower is huge, isn't it, Ivy?
Yeah. Well, to me.
And then deep, deep tub. Ivy, you could go swimming in there. And then a huge closet. A lot of times we don't see how big these closets are and with all the clothes, but y'all see all they've been able to fit, and they still have a lot of room here. Now, we're not going to peek too much at all their private stuff, of course, but you do have commode area off privately. That's really nice as well. So this is the Kairos 2, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. There has been some customization done to this house by the homeowner. And we're really appreciative of them letting us show off what they helped us design and bring to life for them. As y'all can see, once this house is finished, you can hardly even tell that it is a house built up on blocks. I mean, it is residential finishes, great curb appeal. Y'all saw how beautiful it is outside. It's just a simply amazing house, and we're so happy that y'all joined us for the tour. If you have questions about this home or any other home by Deer Valley or any of the builders we carry, please give me a call. Travis at Bolton Homes, 318-487-1819. And thank you again to the wonderful homeowners for letting me tour this house. Ivy, did you have anything you wanted to say to anybody?
Have a good day. I mean,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Well, thank y'all again for touring with us. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that like button. Thank y'all and have a great day.